about 7 o'clock on Tuesday morning. Today I want to show you how I'm preparing for the Appalachian Trail. I first want to take you outside. It is recycling day and I want to show you what I'm recycling this week. So during COVID, I've gone through literally everything I own and I've decluttered and I've minimized, and I've got to show you what's in this recycling bin. Okay, so look at this. It's a bin full of paper that I've decluttered. All of that's going bye-bye. It's gonna be a lot lighter for the AT. Well, the recycling's been picked up. All the paper and everything is gone. I was a little sad watching all my old papers be taken away. But you know what? I saved the really good stuff and I scanned the other things, and I can't hold on to everything forever. But it's empty now. The next place I'm going is junk drop off. I'm going to take, look at this. Gosh, look at this. I'm going to take a bunch of junk to my favorite mission organization. So before I go, I'll actually show you what I'm donating. This is a huge bag of old towels and old blankets that I just don't use anymore. This vacuum cleaner, we've got a different one. I'm donating my Christmas tree. I'm so sad, but some of the lights don't work and I think someone could probably fix it. I just couldn't figure it out. Yeah, all of this stuff is going. It feels good, you know? It feels good to get rid of stuff. Now I'm going to the gym, and I had a situation yesterday when I got back in my car after working out and I could feel a blister like popping up on my foot. And when I took off my shoes and socks, I was like, oh my gosh, it was totally bleeding. I didn't even know. So I'm gonna try to treat it with this Blister Medic thing that I have and see if I can't push through a workout today. This is what's gonna happen on the trail. You're gonna get blisters, your feet are gonna get rocked. You just have to figure out how to carry on, even with the blisters, even with whatever, you know, if it's an injury that doesn't sideline you, you just have to keep going. I'm gonna treat it and then go back out to the gym, and I wanna show you how I'm going from couch potato to through hiker. All right, time to go work out. So I'll typically start on the elliptical and I'll get maybe a mile in just to kind of get warmed up and going. And I really like to do this virtual active thing where it actually looks like you're hiking, and it's really cool. I think I'm in British Columbia today. So it's just fun to watch that while you work out. Okay, so I'm done. I did a mile warm up and just gonna wipe this puppy down, get on the treadmill. Then the next thing I like to do is to get on the treadmill, and I will turn the incline up as high as I can stand it for as long as I can go. And I'm gonna try to get 4 miles in on the treadmill today because I did a mile on the elliptical, so it'll be 5 miles total. But this can be, I go pretty slow, and honestly it can be a little boring. I set the trail thing again so I can watch the video, but what I like to do is I have a hiking hype playlist that I'll listen to kind of get me pumped up and walking a little faster. And then I also like to watch, like if there's a show on Hulu, I think The Bachelor showed last night, so I'll probably watch some of that or check out some people on YouTube to see where some of the thru hikers have gotten so far. But I try to entertain myself with watching shows while I'm on the treadmill. So I'm leaving leaving the gym now, and that was a great workout. I actually did a little bit less miles than I typically do because I didn't get great sleep last night. Like, I was up like every 20 minutes, it felt like. And I don't know about you, but anytime I make a huge change in my life, I get anxiety leading up to it. So I was like awake and just stressed out. I'm gonna take my hair down. Just kind of like stressing out, I don't know, about silly stuff. But so I went a little bit easier on myself today and gonna push myself harder tomorrow. I wanted to kind of rest my heel a little bit, but I got a great workout in, got my heart rate pumping, and I think it's great.
I forgot to show you the socks I wear. These look kind of silly, but they actually help you from getting blisters, and they're called Ingenji. They're like super great hiking socks. A lot of people wear them as liners, but I just like to wear them as my socks.
For the rest of the day, I am meeting people. Some of my friends are buying some things, furniture in the house. Gear's super expensive, so I'm downsizing and have sold several items that I will be in turn using to buy more gear. That is it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video of how I'm going from couch potato to through hiker, and I hope it helped you realize that, hey, if I can do this, you can do it too. So be bold, be courageous, take those risks, and do what you want to out of life. Hope you have a great day. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See you on the trail.